everybody out there. I'm gonna show you my solution to an awkward shape of your decking. I've done a few things here just for the fun of it. You can see this interesting angles. You don't need it. You could do all this in one level. However, I did it because it forms a pathway. You can see the pathway to the back patio here, and I also want to show here this interesting corner. I left an open spot here for the sprout and the water to go away from the house when it rains. And also this little corner here is very interesting. You may want to take a look at this. Here's the trick. The trick for this corner is in this little guy here. This little triangle is the key for a nice finish, for a nice turn of your pathway. There's an airplane right there. We're very close to an airport. So you can see how nicely turns. This pathway goes all the way to the back. It turns in this corner with these little angle pieces based on that little triangle, or you can start here. You can see the angle. We have these pieces here are coming from that left side, and then you do this corner with a triangle and go back to the other edge. That's the way to do it. That's the way I did it. I googled it. That's how I figured it out, and I like the end result very much. It looks very nice. Much better when it's clean. I'm sorry it's not at the moment, but this is the way to go.